What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of Polygon. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, when we had the first touch of 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of 75.66 cents. And it is the Fibonacci retracement level if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low, because in my opinion we have our internal third wave inside this wave, and probably we might have even lower point of this third wave, but so far it is too early to make this assumption. So, and right here we have almost the second touch of this range, and definitely for now we have some consolidation phase for several consecutive sessions, and the volume is quite low, I have to say. This means next movement to the upside or to the downside might be massive with the spike of volume. So, and on the bigger picture, let me show you more thoroughly. If I switch to daily time frame, we have this structure in general, and we completed all 5 waves from this bottom to this top, and 5 waves on a smaller scale. It is 1 wave on a bigger scale. And right here we have the ABC correction, and I have to say that I nailed the majority of movements of this asset. And for now we are forming the bottom of our C wave, and this C wave should have a shape of 5 waves structure in it, and we don't have these 5 waves. This means most likely we might have one more leg to the downside, and that's why we have to be very cautious. So, what should we expect next on a micromanagement level? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. We are sitting right now at $1.29 trillion of total market cap. It is a 2.15% decrease over the last day. And all of the cryptocurrencies are in red. Bitcoin lost about 1.5%, roughly this range. Ethereum lost about 2.1%, and BNB lost about 0.78%. And we have basically a red color for all of these coins, and definitely it is quite bearish sign, but we don't have major sell-offs right now, and this is quite neutral. So let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a $5.49 billion of total market cap. It is lower than it was previously by 3.21%. And the total tradable volume is $614.9 million, and it is 4.72% higher than it was previously. And I have to say that you can see right here the consolidation, clear consolidation phase. And this consolidation doesn't have major spikes in volume, but in general we have some small increase in this volume. And this means probably we will see longer consolidation phase, because we don't have huge spike, we have just a small increase in this number, and this means the consolidation is in play. And let's continue with the news directly related to Polygon. We are on mbcrypto.com, and this article was published just 4 hours ago, and it's titled "This is how Polygon Matic is benefiting from Terra's $30 billion DeFi loss." Let me quote you this. As the Terra blockchain collapsed, it decided to eliminate a lot of apps, including Anchor, which was the largest DeFi protocol on the chain at a given point. However, the protocol is worth nothing at the moment. Furthermore, the fact that these protocols do have potential in their use cases, other chains are hunting there like vultures, including the Polygon network. Bringing Terra's protocols to Polygon will allow the latter for a faster recovery, as these dApps once accounted for $30 billion, and with a more reliable chain, such a feat can be achieved again. The CEO of Polygon Studios, Ryan Watt, and the founder Sandeep Nailwal further confirmed this migration of protocols from Terra to Polygon. Ryan stated that Polygon would be allocating capital and resources against these migrations to welcome the developers and their respective communities. Sandeep also highlighted the growth that these dApps could have on Polygon and through SuperNet for those looking for an app-specific change, including no restrictions on validations / breach and the opportunity to make their chain a roll-up. But despite this news, we don't have any major spikes in price of Polygon. This means we have different catalysts for this asset right now. And definitely this catalyst is Bitcoin price. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's add to this price chart the Bitcoin price action. And right here, as you can see, we have absolutely identical movements to the downside. And right now we have this consolidation phase. And I have to say that Bitcoin also doesn't show very bullish signs. It has some weaknesses according to its structure. And that's why if Bitcoin breaks its previous bottom at roughly $28.5 thousand, definitely we might see low price action for other altcoins as well. And this means my assumption that we should land the bottom of our fifth wave lower will be confirmed. So let's continue with the Polygon price action. So let me switch to hourly time frame and let me show you this movement in details. We have, as you can see, we have very good bounce to the upside that has from its lowest point about 49% to its highest one. It might be not so massive in general, but for the short-term traders who caught this bottom, and I have to say that I nailed this first range of resistance at the time before we had this movement to the downside. And this means from our entry point, for those of you who entered your position right here, you might be up to the current range for more than 13%. Definitely it is a decent movement to the upside, but I have to say that if you ladder your buys down and if your average price is lower than this range of roughly 60 cents, definitely you might have much higher profits with this movement of about 23%. So what should we expect next? In my opinion, we still have the possibility to hit the next range of resistance, and it is the Fibonacci retracement range of 0.382 at the price point of roughly 89.83 cents. And this means we will confirm the movement to the upside, and most likely it should have the shape of a simple zigzag, some kind of, I don't know where we might land the bottom of our B wave, but something like this. And this will be the top of our fourth wave. And if it is the case, we will have a rollover, and this rollover should end with the bottom of our fifth wave. And this bottom of the fifth wave will be the bottom of our C wave. This means we have to be cautious with our long position, because in general, we have more chances to hit lower price targets, and as long as we don't have this pivot point, I cannot project the lowest point of this price action. That's why you have to be cautious with this price action. But all in all, the entire market is quite bearish. That's why you have to be very cautious. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay